Hey folks, this is Shawn at Kelly Lakeland. I want to introduce you here to our 2017 GMC Z71 4x4 1500. These trucks come equipped with a 5.3 Ecotec V8 engine, the best fuel mileage of any V8 in any truck. They have 355 horsepower and about 380 pounds of torque, so that gives roughly about a 9,500 towing capacity. This particular truck is a crew cab, has the full console interior, has the 8-inch touchscreen, is color, is fully available with the Connect, so you can do all your hands-free Bluetooth, connect all your music, has the charging, so if you have the iPhone 8 or newer, you just lay your phone right there and it charges it automatically. Crew cab, full back seat, nice and roomy. I'm 6'3" and fit back there just fine. Also has all the full power with windows, cruise, all the things we all look for. This particular truck has our Kelly custom lift kit. This is the leveling kit, so it's a 2.5 inch, raises the front 2 inch, raises the rear 1 inch, and also has the 295 tires on it, so it's roughly about a 32.5 inch tire with the 20-inch rims. We have several of these in stock in multiple colors. Even if they're not lifted, we can still put the leveling kit. You can pick your wheels out and build the truck just how you want. These trucks list almost $50,000 new, and we have them right now for less than $40,000. So come down and see us, we'll help you out with one.